have attitude.
Hi, little Riley. Have your mommy pick you up. I want to shoot a videotape of you.
Look, Riley, look at that cool camera.
Ooh, who is that kid? Are you in the wedding?
Your cheeks are so hot.
Are you in the wedding? What are you going to do in the wedding, Riley?
Are those your cheeks?
Oh, big cheeks. Pink
Are you
cheeks.
the flower girl? Are you going to drop flower petals and hold hands with Brooke and Haley? Are you going to do that?
Are you shooting stills or video?
I'm shooting still. What's it in, guys?
Hey, maybe 3 back